welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing, ISEEHAIR unboxing, you guys. I am really excited for this hair. So I'm going to be unboxing the hair, and then I will be making I will be showing you guys what I'm gonna use to make the wig, because I'm gonna make a wig out of it. So let's get into it, you guys. This is what I got first. So I got a mannequin head, because you need that. This was really cheap. It was about $5. I got it from the beauty supply store for us to for me to install the wig. And then this you're gonna use to put around the mannequin head. It's a wig band. Took a look at it. Yeah, you need that to put around the head so you can install the wig. And then I got this to do my edges. Got to be glue. You can't go wrong with that. And then I also got those clips to put around like the cap to make the hair, which I'm gonna be showing. Here's the cap. I got the one that has the little holes in it because, you know, I feel like I need my hair to breathe a little bit, and this would allow air to come in easier. But there are others when you go. I also got this from the beauty supply store. Yeah, and then I got this to style the hair. I wasn't sure which brand to get, so I just chose this, any brand. It just says moisture curl. And then I got tip-ins. These are called tip-ins. I ordered these from Amazon because the beauty supply store did not have them. And this is what they look like. Oh no, if you can see. Yeah, this is what they look like, because you're gonna need it to secure the hair as you sew so it doesn't move, because you don't want one side to look super long and the other side is short. So these will help with that. Okay guys, so let's get into the hair unboxing. I got, okay, yeah, just so you know, you guys, this is not sponsored. I ordered this hair with my own money, and yeah, it's not sponsored. Oh, let me show y'all. So this is the 16-inch I got. $16, $18, and 16, 18, and 20-inch with the I don't remember how long the closure is. I think the closure is 14-inch. 14-inch. So let me open it for you guys to see the hair. It's called Mongolian Kinky curl. I got it from ISEEHAIR. I will also leave the website in the subscription box if you guys want to check out the hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really soft, as you can see. It's pretty soft. Yeah, I think this one is the 16-inch. So this is how long it is. Yeah. Let me show you guys the 20-inch, how long the 20-inch is. Also, if you guys want to see like how I'm making the wig, leave comments down below so that I film that for you guys. Like the videos to let me know that you're liking these videos that I'm posting, because I'm gonna make the wig very soon. And also I can give you guys a hair review after a couple weeks of using this hair. Yeah, so this is the 20-inch. I think the length is pretty nice. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is all. Be on the lookout for how I'm going to make the wig. And yeah, this is gonna be like a series all about this wig, how I install it, how I make the wig, how I wear it, how I do my edges, and all of that stuff. So, all right, you guys, see you later. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I will be bringing you guys a lot more videos. So do that. Bye.
Perfect.